You know, this might be one of the best eyelid wipes out there. Eyelid hygiene is probably one of the most important things you can do to control blepharitis, dry eyes, and eyelid cleansing wipes is a big part in eyelid hygiene. So which eyelid wipes out there are actually worth the money? Which ones work the best? Let's focus in. Hey, howdy everybody, this is Dr. Neil Guyman, Dr. Eyeguy, and I do videos all about the eyes to help you with your eyes. For this video, I've actually tested eyelid wipes throughout the years, and I've come up with a list that are probably some of my favorite eyelid wipes that I think are definitely worth a try to help you with your blepharitis and dry eyes. Now, why is it even important to consider cleaning your eyelids? Usually when we're talking about cleaning eyelids, it involves eyelid hygiene, and that can involve warm compresses, cleaning the eyelids with an eyelid cleansing foam or eyelid wipe, eyelid massages, and this all helps control your blepharitis, helps treat dry eyes, and so it can be very, very important. Now, we all have natural bacteria sitting on our eyelids and eyelashes, and when we shed dead skin cells, sometimes those dead skin cells will accumulate on the base of the eyelashes, and then bacteria or our natural flora can collect in those dead skin cells and overpopulate, and they can produce toxins which will create this biofilm on the eyelids or the eye, and it'll cause inflammation, redness, dryness, can cause meibomian gland dysfunction, and so it can kind of wreak havoc. So it's super important to do your best to try and clean those dead skin cells, get that bacteria off of the eyelids, so you can kind of break that nasty cycle that causes blepharitis and dry eyes. Now, there are many different eyelid wipes for many different purposes out there, so let's go over a few of them that I think are definitely worth a try. Now, what eyelid wipes have you used that's worked best for you? Definitely leave it in the comment below. I'm always curious to hear what other people use and what works best for them. Now, I feel bad if I didn't include this brand in this video, OcuSoft Lid Scrubs, and these are readily available. You can get them pretty much anywhere. You can get them off Amazon, you can get them at your local store, Walmart, and what's nice is they've been around a while and they've come up with different formulas depending on what you need. They even have one specifically for allergies. They have some that are nice and gentle for youngsters and babies. They have kind of a normal formula and then a plus formula depending on how bad your blepharitis is. And really, it's probably one of the more affordable lid wipes that you can get. Now, I probably would recommend the Plus formula. It's pretty nice because it's rinse-free. You can actually wipe your eyelids and leave it on there. So it's really convenient and probably the one that I would recommend picking up if you need them and you just need to go to the store, pick them up today. A runner-up to the OcuSoft Lid Scrubs will be the Systane Lid Wipes, also very common. I actually do like them. You do have to rinse your eyes with this formula though, but definitely this is one to consider as well. Another helpful use for eyelid wipes is to treat demodex mites. There are these tiny little mites that can get on the base of the eyelashes and cause similar symptoms, blepharitis, dry eyes, and I would recommend Mediviz eyelid wipes to help treat that demodex. Now, Mediviz eyelid wipes has tea tree oil in there. Tea tree oil has been shown to help treat and get rid of mites. Now, this is a little bit stronger eyelid wipe. You can also use it for blepharitis and cleaning your eyelids. When I use it, I could tell my eyelids were a little bit sensitive afterwards, so it is a little bit stronger eyelid wipe. But definitely if you need something that strong, if you're shooting to control and treat demodex, Mediviz is what I would recommend. Now, for all these eyelid wipes, I'll definitely hook you up with a link in the description below so you can check out prices and check out more information if you want to. Real quick, if you like these types of videos, definitely hit that like button for me. Now let's head on to the next eyelid wipe. Now, stepping it up a little bit in the eyelid wipe category, another one I'd recommend is Blephadex eyelid wipes. Now, this eyelid wipe also has tea tree oil in there to help with the demodex mites, but it's at a lower concentration, so it's a little bit more gentle on the skin. We're also getting into the wipes that put a little bit of hydration. This one has coconut oil in there that can be more soothing for the skin and actually make your eyelids feel really nice after you clean them, and so this one is definitely one I'd recommend. It's a little bit more expensive, but also can be worth it. Now for the star of the show and the eyelid wipe that's becoming my favorite, and it's new. It's called HylaWipe from TearRestore. And I've noticed when I use HylaWipe, my eyelids actually feel really good afterwards. Sometimes my eyelid skin might be irritated after cleaning them and rubbing them, but not with HylaWipe. It actually feels pretty good. And there are a few ingredients in there that I think it kind of puts it up above the rest. Now this one also has tea tree oil in it as well. Again, a lower concentration, so it's not very irritating to the skin. They also put hyaluronic acid in there. Hyaluronic acid is used for skin hydration. They're also putting hyaluronic acid in a bunch of beauty products as well. So it's actually pretty cool that they actually put it in an eyelid wipe, and I think that does make a difference. It helps soothe the skin after you use it. Another unique thing is they put green tea extract in the wipe. Green tea extract has some anti-aging properties, soothing properties, antioxidant properties, and so it can actually help sun damaged skin on there. And so also very unique and very helpful to have it in an eyelid cleansing wipe. One thing that you also notice is it actually smells really good. And I actually like the smell of it. Other ones smell really good too because they have that tea tree oil in there and it smells really good and really fresh. This one smells specifically good. Another good thing, if you compare it to other eyelid wipes, is the size of this thing is humongous, which is awesome. You definitely have more space to clean your eyelids with, and so definitely better than the other eyelid wipes. The Blephadex also has a bigger wipe in it as well. But yeah, definitely worth it because the wipe is just huge and it's super soft compared to the other ones, super gentle on the skin. Now, if you're looking for more specific treatments for blepharitis, definitely check out my video right there. I also did a test with Manuka Honey Eye Gel that works great for blepharitis and eyelid hygiene. Check out my video right there. I'm Dr. Neil Guy and Dr. Eyeguy. Stay focused.